Hey guys, in this video we taste some ice creams from Pinoy Kitchen from Philippines. That means why I have this in my hand, it's I must say that the mango one was really not mango. After we tasted, our wives from Philippines tasted also, and they told us we must say in this video that it doesn't taste mango. Maybe it's a mistake from production, or they say maybe it's like transport from Philippines to Europe. Maybe this melted and then again frozen. Maybe that's why the taste was not really good. Okay, enjoy it, and don't forget to like and subscribe our video. Thank you. Yes, we forget to say that we are very disappointed of the taste of this Pinoy Kitchen ice cream. It was really, I was not happy. But ube is very nice. I like it. He was in the Asia store. Asia store. And we buy some ice cream. Pinoy.
Kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dan.
Why?
Again.
Yeah, dan 2, 3.
Hello? Can I try? Yes. Yeah.
This is the best part.
Yeah.
People eating ice cream. What can sounds like from the
Oh, it's like green. Is my mouth green?
Let's try.
And then
Yes.
So, okay, what's that? What did you buy?
today we was visiting a Asia store in Strasbourg, and we buy some Pinoy
Kitchen ice
ice
cream.
cream.
Yes. With the fancy flavors that you don't find anywhere else.
Okay, what flavors
Yes.
did you buy?
Okay, the first one is the mango fiesta. Mango fiesta.
Made from a yellow mango.
Okay. It's written or no?
No, it's yellow.
And this one is panda green.
This is
Pandan.
pandan. Buko. What is buko pandan?
Buko, it
Is
means
that a-
coconut.
Coconut.
Yeah.
Coconut. Okay, I'm taking it. It's green.
Yeah, it's
So
From green coconut.
it's all natural green.
When you say here,
Oh,
the mango
organic
is-
ice cream with some
Organic ice
sugar,
cream.
yeah.
when you say here is yellow mango, that means there is green coconut.
I wonder if they use the
Milk.
sugar from the cane or the
I don't know.
yes. It doesn't say on the back though.
And
It would be nice to have it.
the best one for me, ube.
Special color.
Ube.
Special color.
And the color is like purple.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes.
Yes.
Like ube in a
Okay.
cake.
Now we start
In a
with
cake.
mango. We know. Maybe we start with something.
Right, okay, let's start with
Yes.
ube.
No, this pandan.
Oh, my bad.
It's full.
Light green color.
Like green, like soft already.
I will take it.
Ooh. So the color is nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it was also.
How was it?
Mm. I don't know. It's not.
Tastes like a whipped cream.
It's not tasting. It's not tasting like coconut.
Yeah, it's not tasting like it tastes more like a whipped cream with sugar.
Okay.
Mhm.
Oh.
Or biscuit.
It's not
I have also biscuit.
It's like a hazelnut.
Yeah,
Hazelnut?
Okay.
butter. You know this.
Mm-hmm.
I was
Yeah.
Expecting?
expecting something.
No, they're not sour.
Delicious.
They're sweet.
No, but this one I eat already. I know this taste.
Yeah, the flavor is
But
familiar.
this telling me it's
Should be different,
pandan.
but it's not.
pandan, but this is standard ice cream. I don't know how to, like he said, hazelnut or.
Hazelnut? Okay.
And then is the leaves.
Pandan leaves, yeah.
Ah.
It makes aroma.
Aroma?
Yeah, it has the different
Buko aroma? Buko? Coconut aroma.
But here is not coconut. Maybe our Europa tongue is under as others.
This one can go away.
It's your turn.
Bingo.
Mango. You want?
Yes.
You know how to do?
No. No, I never ate ice cream. There you go.
This is a really tasty portion.
Let's see.
Mango.
Mango.
Yeah,
I
it's mango.
don't like mango. I tried a mango. I tried this mango.
Oh, here's
You know what is
white mango. Why you say yellow mango?
Made with mango.
Ah, wait.
From Philippines,
Mm.
which is yellow. You know what is the problem for us?
What?
I tried the mango ice cream today.
Oh,
In a
yeah.
different place.
Oh, yeah.
And they
But-
cannot compare.
No.
That one was
Better.
That one was the best. I
way
think.
better, like
Yeah.
way better.
More mango
Now you
inside.
can differentiate which one is.
Yeah, more mango inside in this other one.
Yes.
Oh,
So
okay.
this one,
It's like,
Not too
you know,
much.
this other one is 100% mango,
Mango,
and
yeah.
this one is maybe 40. It's missing, missing really.
Missing the main flavor note. The one, you know, when you eat mango, it's like
This
when it's strong and ripe, it feels like it's been from the factory, kind of, but the strong flavor.
Yes.
And that note just before it, the nice one, this one is missing it.
Yes. You have mango, but very far. Very far.
This is mango cousin. Cousin
Basketball
mango.
or
Cousin.
Cousin of the mango, yeah. No,
Baby mango.
OFW, cousin of the
Yeah,
mango. He
OFW.
works in a different country. Let's hope that this one.
Oh,
yeah,
Ube.
you go ahead.
Oh.
It's your
Ube.
color.
I hope, because these two I was now not so
Happy,
happy.
disappointed.
Yes,
yeah.
disappointed. Maybe the Ube one.
Davide.
Yeah, the winning. I hope. The Ube one.
Oh, okay.
It's looking like Ube.
Purple, yes.
You have to scoop.
Yes.
So,
Well, I guess it's cold.
yeah. It's cold.
But this one is the best.
Oh, yeah.
It has
Yeah,
a
it's-
coconut flavor also.
Okay.
Coconut, and it's winning. It's the winner.
Mhm.
It's the winner.
It's this one is I think the worst one.
Yeah.
The mango is not mango, but this one is good.
This one is the yes.
Yeah.
Actually, what's written here, that's it.
You know, if they write here coconut, it would be good as well.
Yeah. But when you give me this one, without looking, I will never say it's mango.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the mango really
Yes.
flavor.
Yeah.
No. The main mango flavor is gone.
Okay, it's not too strong.
Yeah. This one have the color, the taste, everything.
Okay. got it.
Yes.
Yes. No, we don't.
Now,
Let's eat the nice one.
Okay, kids, also.
Girls.
yes. Attack!
Oh,